नबी के आस्ताने पर हुई जिब्रील की दस्तक, नबी के आस्ताने पर नबी हुए शादा जिब्राइल के मकसद बताने पर। शबे महराज की बातें कोई क्या दूसरा जाने, शबे महराज की बातें कोई क्या दूसरा जाने, खुदा क्या है नबी जाने, नबी क्या है खुदा जाने। मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट, once a long time ago, our beloved prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was living in Mecca. He was very kind, honest, and loved by everyone who knew him. But at that time, many people did not like him. They made fun of him and hurt him. He felt very sad because he has lost his loving wife, Hazrat Khadija, Rahmatullah alayha, and his kind uncle Abu Talib, who's always helped him. Even in sadness, the Prophet, peace be upon him, never became angry. He was always kind to everyone. Allah saw the sadness of his beloved Prophet and wanted to give me comfort and honor. Mr. President, one night something very special happened. Angel Jibreel alayhi salam came to the Prophet, peace be upon him. Allah sent him on the special journey called Isra and Miraj. He gives very special horse called Burak, which could travel very fast. At first, he went from Masjid al-Haram in Makkah to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. This is part of journey called as Isra. At Masjid al-Aqsa, the Prophet, peace be upon him, prayed and then started the next part of the journey called Miraj, going up to heavens. Mr. President, and the heavens, the Prophet, peace be upon him, saw many amazing and beautiful things. He met other prophets like Prophet Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Isa alayhi salam, and many others. They greeted him and prayed with him. He saw great power and beauty of Allah in the skies, stars and angels. Mr. President, Allah gave a very special gift to all Muslims on this night, prayer Salah. At first, Muslims told 50 times prayer a day. But when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked Allah, he reduced it five times a day. Then, when they returned into Makkah, he told about journey. Many people did not believe him, but those who loved Allah and their Prophet were very happy. This journey gave the Prophet, peace be upon him, hope, courage and strength. Mr. President, from this story we learn many lessons like number 1, Allah is always near us even sadness. Number 2, prayer connects with us. Allah gave us ease. Number 3, after hardship, Allah gave us ease and happiness. Number 4, we should be kind, always honest, patient like our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Shab-e Miraj is the remember to night of Allah, pray and follow our Prophet, peace be upon him, teachings. Let us love our Prophet, pray every day and always help others. Mr. President, in the end I will just say this. एक ही सवाल बार बार दोहराया गया, मेरे महबूब मांगो क्या मांगते हो। एक ही सवाल बार बार दोहराया गया, मेरे महबूब मांगो क्या मांगते हो। एक ही जवाब आया, मेरी उम्मत की मगफिरत, मेरी उम्मत की मगफिरत।